Hazrat Muhammad was born in Mecca in Arabia. His father was Hazrat Abdullah and his mother was Hazrat Bibi Amna. He was a very well behaved child. He never fought with anyone and was quiet and soft spoken. He never told a lie. He was honest, so he was called Sadiq and Amin, which means truthful and trustworthy. He loved children very much. The children loved him too. They always came running to him when they saw him. They greeted him happily. He liked talking to them. He would like to give them dates, fruits, or sweets. He loved playing with his grandsons, Hazrat Hassan, Hazrat Hussain. Hazrat Muhammad carried them on his shoulders and often let them ride on his back. He respected his elders and helped those who were weak and sick. He was very kind to animals and fell. One day at the time of Eid, he was going for the prayers. On the way, he saw a boy crying. What's the matter? He asked the boy. My parents are dead, said the boy. I have no new clothes to wear on Eid. I have no food to eat. Hazrat Muhammad took the boy home. He gave him new clothes and food. Hazrat Muhammad gave us the message of Allah to being good to one another. He asked us to be more kind to others. He also lived by the rules of Holy Quran. His entire life is the best example for us to follow.